Shit, guys. This girl called me Gay Black ne. Fuck. Well, I'm to like voice ne avana ending with voice ne like so adorable like she's so unique like woman I'm to checking was talent yawe. We're talking about me Gay Black like I don't know uko to talent yawe yote ina avana nduru yote you can see him such cool aim but like the passion that she have come on like oh fuck that girl is so amazing come on like it's been a long change that one I'm trying to was so like and I'm passionate about this career like especially as a female because of female like most of the time you run about one the one which going bang so some like even this line like even though she's more talented than the courage to push her mara most of the time tricky ya physical components and the tricky if you yeah book on this one so I feel like hey being so authentic being unique and being a stuff like I feel like going to having like you can say she's different to Bangobat. I don't know if you mean one like the way she carry herself like not as well and I feel like she needs to be protected from the industry of event from magara maudore nanganya kumushumisa ngona na uri adiwe music business na mean and even ura one a proper management team ngona ndinga zozine ukuzito double line even angaba na proper management although no ba ono punduluko ono kuna zuru kuita minne I feel like she need a proper management team no manager like really and push it to the limits because of she's there's nothing then she comes stop she's going to the top mara miki Black na VP bangatoba bote bangato visa 8 ne abanga visa 18 crown then na VP talking na lot way ingaba echivira angara no vana atumumbulisa zwinga mara mbona vane vangafanelana ka mara miki Black na VP talking vangafanelana ka yeah I feel like the one of like I found not covered but the one that is like kisses it was ne sometimes you have and what for even work relationship I feel like the one of one and the one was otherwise I'm good just be as one good governor must was one is good culture is marathon event I never seen it repeat don't say this was quite it is also because of can never told never vendor towards us mara panga maybe kungakusanya mara maybe because of we don't think or zingawezite so just that never origin zumbura nengwendera mara kawala ni maybe ngawashapa na feel like don't have to witness maybe music mingi yao but maybe music or maybe ungabukoda undera no to kuza to amunji I feel like even no that visit an album is not so that the album has a chapter so you go there it's not like all the time when we to school is album but we really need music or most of like album or kunum deva like who don't develop wrong face rookie if we're talking about me give like who are we talking about one guru to a mutiner kutum ngapa I think most of racha kill track and no wa I feel like the track yam to sort face rock ako punduru wa gaming er kuno one so I feel like no to ner this Cesar she's coming but is she going to be consistency because of when it comes to music because this the best she needs to be consistency and she and I does not it like diva zuru ukuto the mini gaming